Hello everyone, this is Mannat Jagya. Here I begin with my capsule literature series. This is the first lecture in my capsule literature series, and in this particular class I'm going to discuss two very important questions that appeared in MH Set 2021 exam, Maharashtra Set 2021 exam. The first question that I would like to discuss with you is, we'll leave out the options because options always confuse. So we'll be just discussing the right answer. The work Spectres of Marx is written by. This is the first question that appeared in the exam. The work Spectres of Marx is written by whom? So remember, the work Spectres of Marx is written by Jacques Derrida. He wrote in French, and this work, Spectres of Marx, was published in the year 1993. The subtitle of this work is The State of the Debt, D-E-B-T, debt. And also, this work was presented as a lecture first. And the name of the lecture series was Whither Marxism, W-H-I-T-H-E-R, Whither Marxism. Now, from where did this idea of Spectres of Marx come to Derrida? Marx and Engels, the two very famous Marxists, while they were beginning their communist manifesto, they made this statement: a spectre is haunting Marx. A spectre is haunting Marx. So, alluding this statement of Marx and Engels, Jacques Derrida wrote his work Spectres of Marx, which was published in 1993 in French language. The subtitle of this work is The State of the Debt, D-E-B-T. And this was presented first as a lecture in the lecture series Whither Marxism, W-H-I-T-H-E-R, Whither Marxism. The second question that appeared in the exam was, the Great Tradition, the work Great Tradition is written by whom? So remember, the work Great Tradition is written by F.R. Lewis, and this work, The Great Tradition, was published in the year 1948. And basically in this work, F.R. Lewis talks about the greatest authors in English literature, and he keeps 4 authors in the front. In all he talks about 8. But he keeps 4 authors and he calls them as the greatest writers in English literature: Jane Austen, George Eliot, Henry James, and Joseph Conrad. Jane Austen, George Eliot, Henry James, and Joseph Conrad. Remember, he did not appreciate Dickens, but he did appreciate Dickens's hard times. He said that Dickens is a good writer, but he cannot be placed in this list of great writers, greatest writers. He's a good writer, but I cannot place him in this. He talked about others also, like Nathaniel Hawthorne, Herman Melville, and Edgar Allan Poe, who are inspired by Shakespeare, who are following the tradition of the great writings of Shakespeare. That is why the word tradition, because these writers are following, some of them like Dickens, Hawthorne, Herman Melville, and Edgar Allan Poe. These remaining 4 are inspired by Shakespeare and following the great tradition of Shakespeare. So we can say that F.R. Lewis places Dickens among the classic writers, but not in the great tradition list. Now remember this word tradition. This is a very important concept of the new critics and modernists, and T.S. Eliot wrote before this Tradition and Individual Talent. So I just hope that you have understood this 2 very important works, Spectres of Marx, written by Jacques Derrida, and The Great Tradition by F.R. Lewis, and also you must have understood all the information that I have provided to you about these 2 works. That's all for this session. I will keep uploading many more short sessions like this, which are easy to understand, easy to listen, and also the pointers that are easy to remember. If you are looking for a full-length course in literature for UGC NET/SET exams, we have 11 different courses, which include full-length lectures, short lectures, long lectures, PDFs, mock tests, daily articles relating to literature, and much more. You can also keep following our capsule literature series, which starts from today. I'll keep uploading such short sessions. These sessions are definitely going to help you remember important information. So wait until the next upload. Thank you.